From what we can tell, there haven't been a ton of changes to the model, aside from the rebrand and rename, but that's not necessarily a bad thing or surprising. After all, Harley spent a boatload of greenbacks developing the LiveWire, and it hasn't been out that long. What it does seem to have revamped is the LiveWire One's pricing. What used to be a nearly $30,000 motorcycle now asks just $21,999 before any applicable tax credits, which are significantly less than the car ones. Don't get too excited. This puts it more in line with similarly premium non-electric bikes and, in general, makes the LiveWire One a more attractive proposition. With a new brand and a new name, the LiveWire One is still one of the most exciting electric motorcycles around. The LiveWire One will make its physical debut on July 18 at the International Motorcycle Show in Northern California. The bike will also be made available in non-US markets starting in 2022. 2020 Lincoln Corsair Road Test Consumer Reports lowest rated cars of 2019. Boston Dynamics gives Spot a robotic arm. The 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L sets a new standard. The best cordless impact wrenches you can buy. 2022 Honda Civic is a more refined segment leader. Ford Raptor vs Jeep Gladiator. Mojave Desert Running Beasts.